10 divided by 5 divided by 2 times 5. Use the rule of BODMAS. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Given left to right to 2 divided by 2 times 5 is equal to left to right 1 times 5 is equal is the correct answer. राइट योर करेक्ट आंसर इन कमेंट। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए।